In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your finances by tracking sales as invoices or deposits, categorizing Amazon fees as expenses, and importing Amazon transactions via apps. Whether you're a small business owner or someone trying to keep personal finances in order, this is a crucial skill set to develop. Let's begin by exploring how to track your sales efficiently. When you think about sales, there are two primary methods to record them, as invoices or as direct deposits. The method you choose can depend largely on the nature of your business or preference for tracking. An invoice is essentially a detailed bill that can be sent to a customer, documenting the transaction and specifying the payment due. This approach is especially useful when payment is expected at a later date or for businesses dealing frequently with clients directly. Alternatively, if you're in a business where payments are made up front, or you have a more simplified sales process, you might prefer to track these sales as direct deposits. As the name suggests, these transactions are recorded when the payment is received, bypassing the need for a formalized invoice. This method is simple and direct, making it easy for businesses to track cash flow without getting overwhelmed with paperwork. Next, let's talk about categorizing Amazon fees as expenses. Whenever you make a sale on Amazon, you'll incur various fees such as referral fees, closing fees, or even shipping charges. Keeping these organized is vital for understanding your net profit and loss. Start by determining all the different types of fees that apply to your business. Once identified, you can categorize them within your accounting system or software. This step involves setting up these charges correctly so they fall under business expenses. Not only does this make your financial records accurate, but it also sets your business up for smooth sailing come tax time, since having everything accurately categorized ensures that you're getting all the deductions you're entitled to. Lastly, let's cover importing Amazon transactions via apps, which can significantly streamline your financial management. Using specialized financial apps can automate the process of importing your Amazon transactions directly into your accounting system. Begin by exploring different apps and choosing one that best suits your needs. Look for features like automatic syncing, real-time data updates, and detailed reporting options. Once selected, install the app and follow the setup instructions to connect it with your Amazon account. Once everything is linked, your transactions, fees, and sales can automatically populate into your accounting system, reducing manual entry errors and saving you valuable time. This approach is not just about simplifying your workload, it's about gaining clear insights into your financial health. By integrating technology into your financial processes, you empower yourself with the information needed to make strategic business decisions. So remember, track your sales accurately, categorize those fees, and let technology do the heavy lifting with transaction imports. Happy budgeting!